Have you ever seen someone try to bully their way out of trouble only to make things worse? In this video, we'll showcase 3 outrageous encounters where self-entitled Karens messed with the wrong cops and faced unexpected consequences. Get ready for some shocking and entertaining moments as these psycho Karens learn that justice always prevails. The police arrive at a bar after receiving reports about a highly intoxicated woman known as Stephanie. The bartender explains that Stephanie had been at the bar alone and that they tried to help her by giving her water and attempting to arrange a ride home. However, Stephanie became aggressive, kicking, spitting, and even trying to break windows. The situation quickly spiraled out of control, leaving the bartender unsure of how to handle her behavior.
Hello? Hello?
I brought my receipt out to show you that I did not overserve her. I don't know what's...
Is this the one that was the problem?
Yeah.
Okay. I figured. I was hoping because then I'd have 2 to deal with.
I was gonna say I don't know what you like. What should I be doing here? Like, what should I?
Ma'am, I'm gonna look in your purse for your ID. Okay.
Do you know her?
No, she's the bartender.
We tried to find like her keys to her house, and they're not in there at all. I did. Yeah, we had a couple people trying to help her. We were gonna give her an Uber, a couple of things, and I don't know how else to help her here.
Okay. But she had ID when she came in the bar, though.
Yeah.
You got check ID. You okay? What's your name? What's your name?
As the police and paramedics approach, they try to communicate with Stephanie, asking for her name and address. She struggles to respond, making little sense, and repeatedly asking to go home, but without providing any helpful information about where she lives or who might be able to care for her. At one point, she undresses and urinates on herself, further complicating the situation. Despite several attempts to calm her down, Stephanie remains incoherent and combative.
You're okay. You're all right. This is the police. We have an ambulance coming to evaluate you.
Hey, come here. Come here. Just stay seated, please. Hey, just stay seated, please. Just stay seated, please.
Listen, please, Stephanie.
Just stay seated, please.
This is not a joke anymore. This is not a joke anymore.
Don't grab me.
This is not a joke anymore. Listen, girl. Listen. Please, grab me if anything. Grab me if anything. Grab me if anything.
Leave me alone.
Stop.
Can you stop?
They're trying to help
Stop.
you. They're trying to help you right now.
Okay. That's all you have to do.
Come on. Hey, listen.
Okay, stop.
We got
Stop.
an ambulance coming to
Let
evaluate
go. Let go. Let go.
Good.
Seriously, let go. Come on.
No.
Come on. Let go.
Sorry. We're past that point.
Oh my God, I have to go. I have to go
No,
home.
you've had a lot of time to go.
What's going on?
Okay, I want to go home.
Where's home?
That's it. Right there.
What's your
Right
address?
there.
What's your address?
I just want to go home.
What's your address?
Right there.
We copy the 9 vehicle has been gone for
What's your
13
address,
minutes.
man?
124.
That's not an address.
124.
124. Right there. Right there.
Hey, I gotta check your blood pressure, okay? I need you to stand still.
No. I'm absolutely. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No. Give me.
All right.
Give me Tori. Give me Tori. Give me Tori.
You said you are
No.
Tori. Are you
No.
Tori or are you
Tori.
Stephanie?
No, he's back there. He's back there.
Stephanie's behavior becomes more erratic as she grabs at the officers, resists their help, and even gives a different name, Tori, adding to the confusion. She refuses to cooperate with the medical evaluation and continues to act aggressively. Backup is called to the scene as the officers and paramedics struggle to control her, ensuring she doesn't harm herself or others.
Hey, you're just making things a lot more difficult. Makes things so much more difficult for everybody.
I mean, we're serious. Serious
Yeah, we
right
are
now.
serious.
Yes, we're dead serious.
I have
only person who
nothing
isn't
to
taking
do
this serious
right
is
now. I have nothing to do with it.
Don't hit your head. Don't hit your head. Probably a better. Don't hit your head.
Let it go. Just let it go. Let it go.
Stephanie's actions violate several laws, including disorderly conduct, as she caused a disturbance in a public place by being loud, aggressive, and unruly. Additionally, her refusal to cooperate with law enforcement and medical personnel constitutes resisting arrest. Specifically, she has violated Section 2917.11 of the Ohio Revised Code, which prohibits disorderly conduct that risks harm or inconvenience to others. On January 17, 2024, 3 girls entered a seafood restaurant and began to cause trouble. They harassed the staff, touched everything around them, and even threw items at the employees. The situation got worse when the girls started threatening the workers, saying they would beat their asses. The restaurant manager tried to handle the situation calmly by giving the girls a refund and asking them to leave, but they refused and continued to misbehave.
All right. So I look at them, I give them a mom look, I'm like, all right, just let it go. You know what I mean? They sign their receipt, and they think it's all cute to fling the pen at me. I let that go too.
Okay.
They're touching everything. Is this real? Is this real? Touching, sniffing. So I have Ashley come up, and then Ashley comes up because she's my tougher big sister type.
Well, I tell them to leave, and they start telling me they're gonna punch me.
Well,
and
that's what they were saying.
I said, just do it. So then I said, get out. I refunded their thing. They're outside. They're banging on the windows, screaming. So then I come outside, and I'm like, now you're outside. You want to yell? And that's when you guys pulled up.
Okay. So, are you a manager or
Yes.
anybody manage? What do you want to do? Do you want to press charge against them?
Yeah, absolutely.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
They got to get their act cleaned up.
By the time the police arrived, the girls had already left the restaurant and were sitting in their gray Honda, ready to drive away. However, the officers stopped them before they could leave the scene.
Did you get their IDs? All right. Yeah, we do. They want to press charge against you, so yes.
Charges for what? We ain't do nothing. We ain't put our hands on nobody. We ain't break shit. We ain't do none of that. So what you pressing charges for?
Get out of the car.
Okay, so what is they pressing charges for?
Aggravated menacing, trespassing.
Trespassing what?
Get out of the car.
Trespassing. How's it trespassing? We came over here to get some food.
Because they asked you to leave and you didn't leave. Get out the car.
The girls continued to act out, yelling and banging on the restaurant's windows as the police tried to calm things down.
What do you need, Brad? What do you need? What do you need? Roll over. I'm gonna tase you. Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
You ain't got to take
Rip my fucking badge off. You're fighting. Give me your hands.
We're pressing charges. And you brought my phone. And you brought my phone.
Yes, I got your badge.
Sorry, I got your shit.
You're going to jail too.
You're going to my mama. We ain't do shit to these people, bro. We ain't do shit to these people, bro.
Let's get these two.
We ain't do shit to these people, bro.
Line up. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, you squishing my arm.
Get up.
Where's my shoe at?
I'll get it.
Ow, you pulling my arm.
It's still in the car.
Okay, so he's pulling my arm, sir. These things are too fucking tight, dude.
Don't fight us. This car.
I wasn't even trying to fight you. I was trying to grab Perkins all throughout the car. Can you take these off a little bit? I'm done. I'm cool.
Once we can get into the car, sure. This one's mine. Where's your ID?
I don't have ID on.
How old are you?
22. This one's too tight. It's squeezing me.
Well, don't fight.
As the police tried to arrest the girls, they resisted. They yelled at the officers, accused them of being rough, and refused to follow their orders. One girl even ripped an officer's badge off while struggling against the handcuffs. Despite the officers' attempts to explain the situation and calm them down, the girls continued to fight back, claiming they hadn't done anything wrong and demanding that someone come to help them. Their refusal to cooperate made the situation worse.
And they already put all of their hands on us. They put their hands on us. They put their hands on all of us. Every single last one of us. Every single last one of us. Every single last one of us.
They already put their hands on every single last one of us. Every single last one of us. I promise you. I promise you. Guess what? Guess what? We have come up here. Come up here to Red Crab. Come up
Relax,
here. Right now.
ma'am.
Come up here. Come up here. Come up here. Cause the bitches inside think it's funny. Every hoe
Relax,
inside Red
ma'am.
Crab,
Stop
they think
pulling
it's
away
funny.
from me.
Every hoe inside Red Crab, they think it's funny. They think it's
come with
funny.
me. Come on.
Come up to Red
Come with me.
Crab. Please go in there and tell them I didn't do anything. She already. It's okay. It's okay.
In the end, the girls were arrested and charged with several crimes. They were charged with disorderly conduct for causing a disturbance inside the restaurant, aggravated menacing for threatening to harm the staff, resisting arrest for fighting with the police, and obstructing official business for refusing to cooperate during the arrest. All of these actions violated the law and led to their arrest, with charges pressed against them according to state regulations. Danielle, a woman with a troubled past, found herself in a precarious situation when she trespassed onto a homeowner's property. On this particular day, she was reportedly looking for a husband, a shower, and a cigarette. Her intentions seemed unclear, but her actions quickly raised alarms. The homeowners noticed her wandering around their yard and, feeling threatened, called 911 for help, fearing for their safety.
A lighter for what? Okay. Do you know these people? Why are you on their property?
Because I was trying to take a shower.
Trying to take a shower?
Yeah.
Okay, is that your stuff? What is this?
Oh, that's my cleaner. Do you have a lighter? Can I have a lighter? I can't find
No.
a lighter.
Okay. Do me a favor?
Yeah.
Don't dig in your bag.
Why?
Don't dig in your bag. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Drop the beer, whatever that is. Said drop it.
Don't be rough, okay?
Come on, I'll come back for your stuff.
You want me to ask her to get it?
Nope, I'll come back for it. Let's...
Can we get in the water?
Sir, do you have a gate that we can use?
Can we get wet? Turn the water on.
You guys have a gate that we can
for
use?
the beer.
Walk that way. Walk that way. What are you doing?
When the police arrived, they discovered that Danielle had forcibly entered the garage, rummaging through the homeowner's belongings and attempting to take items without permission. Dressed provocatively, she made an unusual attempt to charm the arresting officers, even offering to be their wife if they would let her go. It was clear to the officers that her behavior was erratic, suggesting she might be under the influence of drugs as she struggled to maintain coherence while explaining her actions.
Yeah, let's get her out there.
Yeah, well, how can we get outside? This gate right here, if you like. Dina, hey.
Whiskey brought sharp thing. You don't want to imagine this. What do you stand up?
Okay.
Stand up. Stop. Walk towards the gate.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
You gotta walk towards the car.
Take it down right here. Take it down right here. Good? Yep. Double lock those, please. Kick her legs out. Get her legs out, please. And cross the feet, please.
I'm going to jail. I didn't murder nobody.
Just need to relax, please.
I just wanted to
So we can get you help.
Well, help me. I need a husband instead of being a whore.
That's not what we do.
I know. Help me.
reckon.
Why not?
They have no idea.
I'm sorry.
She's got a bunch of stuff back there.
Please forgive me. I had clothes, but I don't know where they went.
Okay, where do you live?
That purple light. It's like, it's right where the RV is.
All right.
Yeah,
If you want to go get your car. All right. Just chill. Okay?
Yeah, just don't kill me.
We're not going to do that. We want to get you help.
During her arrest, Danielle became increasingly difficult to manage, resisting the officers and attempting to wrap her legs around them as they tried to restrain her. Amidst the chaos, she made bizarre claims, saying she needed a husband and that she was on her period. Her erratic statements and behavior indicated that she was not in a stable state of mind. Despite the officers' attempts to help her, she continued to resist and make irrational comments.
I don't know. I was sleeping. And it makes me sleep forever.
Did you guys ask her to leave?
More than once.
Did she refuse to?
Well, let me tell you what she did. I found out what she did.
Hey, you want to walk over here with me real quick? Go ahead.
Broke that fence out right there.
Okay.
She came in.
Okay.
My wife in the garage. She came in the garage for grabbing stuff.
She went into the garage?
Yeah. My wife's sitting in the garage, smoking a cigarette, and she walks in that garage and starts grabbing stuff.
Okay.
And then comes out here and starts going nuts.
Okay.
That's why I doubt now, man.
Okay.
But she broke that section of the fence right there.
Okay.
Is what she did.
All right. Do you want to press charges?
I don't want her around here no more.
Regardless, we're going to do something, end up doing something with her, getting her somewhere.
Okay.
Whether it be a Marchman Act, I think she's on some sort of drugs or something.
I want to help her if I can.
Okay.
However, I don't want this.
Right. Well, she's going to be out of here regardless, but as far as actually pressing criminal charges, we might have burglary as far as her going into the garage and trying to take something.
My wife is screaming for bloody murder, dude.
Are you related to Bubba Tyson?
Yeah.
Is he your brother? Or?
Yeah.
Where's
yeah,
he
he's
at?
in that RV where the purple light is.
Ready? Can you get the door open?
Yeah.
So you're going to go sit in this police car, okay?
Alright. Okay.
You're going to sit in this police car and then we're going to have a med unit check you out.
All right. All right. Have a seat for us, okay?
God, right?
Stay calm.
Thank you.
No problem.
Slide in.
Have a seat. All right.
It's your fat.
Watch your foot.
I'm overweight. Thank you.
Ultimately, Danielle was charged with multiple felonies, including burglary, resisting arrest, and battery on law enforcement. By entering the homeowner's property without permission and trying to steal their belongings, she violated laws that protect private property rights. Due to her prior felony conviction, she faced a sentence of 1.5 years in state prison. The incident concluded with her being read her rights, and she requested an attorney, opting not to answer any further questions about her actions. These encounters remind us that disrespecting law enforcement can lead to serious consequences. Each situation shows how officers handle unpredictable behavior with professionalism. Thanks for watching.